Hi everyone, I'm Mick. Welcome to my shop. So a while ago I got a Harig Super 612 surface grinder. Ran mechanically in good condition. However, like most surface grinders I've seen for sale, it had virtually no paint left on it. Apparently the dust from the grinding process is so abrasive and so pervasive that it just gets everywhere, and these things end up with little to no paint left on them. It was gunked everywhere, so I decided to strip it all down and make sure everything was in good working order, clean out the sump, and get everything cleaned up, reworking, and painted. So I've been doing a little bit on it prior to starting doing videos, and but I thought I would show you guys where I'm at and some of the progress I'm making and what's coming up next. So let's go to it. So as you can see, I've got it partially disassembled already. The next step is to take off this wheel guard, which is made out of aluminum. I decided it would be easier to take off this flood coolant valve while I still have it mounted to the surface grinder. So now with that out of the way, I can tap off the wheel guard. It's just kind of gunked up like everything else. So now I decided to do some work on getting the rest of the cross slide, I guess you would call it, off. Working on the hydraulic ram right now, but I forgot to position the camera where you could see it, so I'm just going to skip over the rest of this. Okay, I've got the hydraulic ram off. It mounts between the two ways there. So now I'm just going to spend some time cleaning up all this gunk and all this mess on this cross slide and the rest of the exposed parts, and then see about taking the parts off so I can get that cross slide off. Okay, I've got it cleaned up enough for now, so now I'm going to see about taking this handle off for the X-axis feed on this, which can be used in place of the hydraulic ram if you want. I've learned that it seems to be the case on this surface grinder that if something is difficult to get off, it's not because it's stuck, it's because there's another set screw or something like that holding it in place. So I don't bang too hard on these things. I just kind of give it gentle taps with this mallet, but usually I find another set screw or some reason why something's not coming off. Now back to the hydraulic controls. Let's see if we can get these off without breaking anything.
So like with a lot of other things that I work on, I had to let it sit for a little while and think about it and came back and it was simple. This hub and the nut that holds it on has been on here for quite some time, so it's as you'll see, it's a little difficult to get off. Trying to take it easy here and make sure I don't break anything. All right, I got that off. I got lucky after I shot this video and ended up finding, I think, 10 or so new hubs online for a very, very reasonable price. So I'll be swapping these off and on with every grinding wheel. It'll be nice so I can keep them balanced too. So I did some more puttering around, general cleaning up, and my usual pause, think, try a few things, pause, think. But I think that's enough for now, and I will see what kind of progress I can make next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.